30 East taking 141, Arkansas Adam Frank Edwards 66 Charles, AFE 66C, the great Honda CRV.
Air 52 valid. Adam 17, let her up, 1098. 10:33 p.m.
We're going to run on foot. We're just going to run in the car. See, that's my seat. Don't. Seven. East on Broadway, everyone effect. Speed's 55. Hey, you put your hands up right there, don't you move. I'm gonna shoot you, do you understand me? Car out the window. TBI. Broadway and Hazel. On your face. Get on your face right there. Hands behind your back, don't you fucking move. Put your hands behind your back. Do not move, do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
What are you running for, you idiot?
I got it.
Sit up, stand up. So instead of taking a ride to Jefferson County for your warrant, I'm gonna wreck your grandma's car, or whoever it is to you, take you to Pulaski County, and then you're gonna go to Jefferson. Does that make sense? Come on, bro. You definitely weren't thinking there. 14 letter R, 1015, 1064.
Can I get my wallet out the car?
Bro,
Well, can you get
don't be
wallet?
asking favors for me right now.
Yes, sir.
You know what's up. Don't go too tight on you. Say again. Absolutely.
Good? Yeah.
Yeah, we're good. What you need, buddy? He's got felony warrants out of Jefferson County. He rolled around the Wendy's on me and stopped, let me get out, and then jumped the curb, got back on Broadway. Whenever I came up to TVI, he slammed on his brakes.
Yeah.
So, I don't think there's anything new to my car. All that stuff's been there.
All that?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. Because I knew you had the felony.